Guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today's video is all about new products which I have ordered from Nykaa from their hot pink sale, and all the products are under 500 rupees except one, but which is slightly above 500, so that is fine I guess. So yes guys, if you want to know what I have ordered the products from Nykaa, then please continue watching. And the first product will be a skin toner. For that I am having this Jove skin toner in the variant Rose. This is how the toner looks guys. This toner is really very nice. I have read all the reviews on this. This literally refreshes, and this is in the variant Rose, and this smells amazing guys, and this retails for 170 rupees, but I have got this at 128 rupees, and it is totally a steal, and it is an 100 ml bottle, so it goes really very long. You guys just need to take this toner on a cotton pad and just dab it onto your skin, or you guys can spray it like that, and you will get that very nice rosy natural kind of a refreshment on your skin, and this is really very nice guys. I highly recommend this. So the next product in our list is a foundation, and you guys know I have been using the PAC foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I always wanted my hands on this foundation, which is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. Guys, I have heard so much about this foundation. This foundation stays for 24 hours, and it is a really nice full coverage foundation which covers everything onto your skin. This foundation retails for 750 rupees, but only this foundation is slightly above 500, that is slightly above our budget, but this is totally worth the money. I got this foundation for 525 rupees, and I feel this is totally a steal, and I am looking forward to use this foundation, and I highly recommend this foundation if you are in search of a good affordable full coverage foundation. Then just grab this guys. Foundation in our list is it is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 128. Packaging is totally very nice. Earlier I was using the Maybelline Fit Me bottle, but I got this one for my sister. This goes for normal to oily skin type because it is a matte foundation. It gives you a medium coverage, but you guys can always build it up for a full coverage, and it is really very nice. At 299, but I got this foundation for 269 rupees, which is totally a nice price for this foundation. And if you want a foundation just to try, so you guys can go with this foundation for the mini variant, and then later on you guys can go with the full bottle if you want, and it is very nice foundation. Product in our list after the foundation is a concealer, which is a must have, and for the concealer I have choose this concealer, which is an overhyped concealer, which is Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I have always heard about this concealer that it is really very nice. It glides on very easily. It has an eraser at the top, so you guys directly need to apply the concealer, and it is really smooth. So I just always wanted to have this concealer, and now I have bought. This retails for 620 rupees, but I have got this for 434 rupees, which is totally a steal guys. I'm just waiting to use this concealer. I have got this concealer in the shade medium, so this goes very nice on my skin tone also. And if you guys are looking for a good concealer, then you guys can always switch to this concealer. This concealer is really very nice and worth the money. The concealer in our list, which is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. You guys know I was using the Fit Me concealer earlier, and it was totally over, so I ordered a new concealer in the same shade Sand. Concealer is really very nice. This conceals your dark circles, your imperfections. You guys can always use this concealer for your touch up, or if you're not wearing any foundation, then you guys can just apply a few dots on your face and you are good to go. And this concealer is really very nice. Yeah, this concealer retails for 470 rupees, but I got this at 333 rupees, which is totally a steal, guys. For just 300 rupees you're getting this whole concealer. So you guys can always grab this concealer, or you guys can go with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Both works wonders for your under eye area. Next product is a kajal. You guys know that I'm not a kajal person. From few videos I'm using the kajal. So guys, I have ordered this kajal, which is from K Beauty, and it is the 24 hours long lasting transfer proof smudge proof kajal, and this is how the packaging looks. It says that kajal is enriched with chamomile and ceramide. This is how the kajal looks. The packaging is really very nice, simple and elegant, and the kajal is really very nice. It is very dark. It is like jet black kajal, and it is in the shade Spade, so you guys can see. The kajal retails for 249 rupees, but I got this kajal at just rupees 199, which is a great price. You can see I'm just smudging it, but it is not at all coming out. So it is really very nice kajal. You guys can always go for this. The product which we have for our eyes is a eyelash curler, and this one is from Vega. Curler is really very nice, and it is really very inexpensive. This is literally for 130 rupees. This retailed for 150 rupees, but I got this on discount, and I got this at 130 rupees, which is a steal, guys, a steal. Guys, this color has a great opening and closing action, which you guys can see. Guys, it has a rounded curling pad, which is really very nice and really very smooth, so it doesn't hurt your eyelashes. And also you guys will get an extra curling pad, which is a great deal. At 130 rupees you guys are getting this, both the things, and the quality of the eyelash curler is really nice. I highly recommend this eyelash curler to you guys. Products, we have something for our body, which is a body lotion, and I am having this Mamaearth hydrating body lotion. This is a really nice and a huge bottle, and as you guys can know, Mamaearth products are dermatologically tested. It is free from harmful chemicals, mineral oils, parabens, silicones, and pegs and synthetic fragrance. And this is really very nice. This is in the variant with cucumber and aloe vera. I have ordered this for my father because he always uses, and this is great for normal skin types. So I have ordered this Mamaearth body lotion. With this I have got this Mamaearth moisturizer free. So this is really at a great deal, guys. You guys can go check the Mamaearth products out. You will get this on discount also, and you will get a free product also. So it is really very nice. The next product we have for our hair is a Pantene Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. This product is really very nice. It is a multi-purpose product. You guys can use this as your oil replacement. If you're not applying your oil, you guys can use at an oil replacement. This works great as a serum also. After washing your hair, you guys can just use it as a serum, and you guys can always use this as a conditioner also, just to nourish your hair. Before using any heat tool on your hair, you guys can always use this as an heat protectant, so it protects your hair also. It's also great for your hair fall also. It reduces your hair fall, and you guys can use this for anything which you want, and this is a great product, guys. This retails for 190 rupees, but in the discount I got this at 152 rupees. It is the big variant, and it is totally worth the money. You guys can go with this, guys. So another product I have for my hair is my total and absolute favorite, my only one and only conditioner, which is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Clay Purifying and Hydrating Conditioner. Guys, this conditioner is really very nice. It has also got the shampoo with it, but I use the another shampoo and I use this conditioner. It gives you very nice and very cooling sensation once you are done with washing your hair. It stays up to 72 hours and it cleans your scalp really very well. the hair feels really very soft and smooth and flowing. And you guys can see I have washed my hair with this conditioner and the hair looks really very soft, shiny. Is an anti-oiliness and purifies your scalp too, so it is really very great thing because my scalp gets really very oily. So I highly recommend this conditioner. It is my hair savior. Product in our list, which is a nail paint, and it is from Nykaa, and it is Marshmallow Dreams 83. It is a white nail paint. I always wanted to have my hands on this white nail paint, and I got this from Nykaa also. This nail paint retails for 179 rupees, but I got this for 143 rupees, which is really very nice at the price point side also. And soon I'll apply in my another videos and I'll show you guys. Our last product, which is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is really very non-sticky, and it gives you very nice and glowing skin. It is really very huge, guys. You guys can see it is in quantity, and I just show you the consistency of the gel. And you guys can see it is really very thin. I'll just apply on the back of my hand. You guys can see how it is really very thin in consistency, and it smells really very nice. Wow. And you guys can see how nicely it has absorbed into my skin. So if you guys want a moisturizer which is in budget, then I highly recommend this to you guys. It is really very nice, and it is really worth the price also. And you guys can check it now on Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. You will get this on discount at just 209 rupees, which is totally a steal, guys. I'm just in love with this moisturizer. It smells amazing. In any way, I'm not telling you guys to purchase all the products. I'm just telling what I have buy the products, and I have just given my opinion. So if you guys are planning to buy the products, so you guys can check this video, and you guys can always go and buy your preferred product. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.